Hi friends, I hope everyone is doing well. Okay, let's we discuss about unit 1 in operations management. It is for especially for MBA third sem students. Now I hope you people already got important questions. If I'm not wrong, well and good, you got important questions. The thing is, you have to understand the topic. You have to understand the content. If you know the content, you can write clear cutly with your own ideas. So for that I am there for help you people. Now let's we discuss in operations management. uh, One of the important question most repeatedly they used to ask in exams, that is scope of production management. Is that clear friends? Let's we discuss that scope of production management. It is mostly repeated question for MBA third sem students in subject operation management, scope of production management. Let's we get into our topic. Now here we are talking about the scope of production management. Scope of production management. Production management. What is the production management? Is production management is nothing but we are managing from inventory level to manufacturing level, from suppliers level. Yes or no? First come into picture suppliers, and after suppliers manufacturers, and after manufacturers distributors, distribution channel, right? Agency brokers will come into picture here, and after that wholesalers, and after that wholesalers, retailers, and end-to users, means into the customers. This what the process happen in between the starting level. Okay, that is comes under the production management. Here if you see production management, planning, organizing, directing, and controlling of all the product of all the production activities within an organization. So there will be clear planning will be there. Somebody else is there who are going to direct this production department. Yes or no? This all includes in the production management. If you write introduction part, okay, and after that the side points clearly, and if you write the content in that, you will get the full marks, no doubt in that. Okay, this is very important. Okay, point wise let's be discuss briefly and clearly. Scope of production management. Here production, scope of production management means production management is concerned with what? Concerned with planning. Concerned with what ma? Planning. Here production management is concerned with planning, organizing, directing, and controlling of a production activities. Its main objective is to convert inputs into finished goods efficiently and economically while maintaining quality. And the first point is product design and development. Here product design and development is the first point. Designing a products as per customer needs, improving existing products, and standardization and simplification of products. That is comes under here product design and development. And the third one is nothing but PPC. Here PPC, what is the meaning of PPC? Here production, what is the full form of PPC? Production control, production planning and control, production planning and control. I am coming here. So what is here? Production planning and controlling, production planning and controlling. PPC stands for production planning and controlling. Production planning and controlling. PPC stands for production planning and controlling. The first point is product design and development. You know that in our marketing subject in BBA also we have discussed that, you know, NPD program, new product development. If any changes that, you know, we would like to bring in product, that we will do according to the demand in market. We will try to correct our product, or else we are trying to modify our product, design our product. We will try to give our product price accordingly, whatever the amount we have spent, variable cost and fixed cost, this all includes, right? So the first point is that product design and development. The first point is product design and development. Second one is a PPC. PPC is what? Production planning and controlling. Production planning and controlling. And the third one is plant location and layout. Plant location and layout. Here plant location and layout, selecting a suitable location for the plant. Selecting a suitable location for the plant and designing plant layout to minimize movement and cost and efficient utilization of space resources. Okay, in plant location and layout, what is that? Selecting suitable location for the plant. And the fourth one is material management. Material management, mainly it especially we will try to see that purchase of raw materials. Here is that clear? Purchasing of raw materials, inventory control and storage and handling of materials. Storage and handling the materials. Here in material management, already we have discussed in our further class also that, you know, material management what? Inventory management over here. Inventory management means what? Raw materials, okay, into WIP means what? WIP, work in progress. And the last one is, what is the last one? Finished goods. This all includes in our material management. Material management includes inventory management. Inventory management is nothing but, you know, what are the process from beginning, purchasing the raw materials and work in progress, starting the work in progress, and after that converting into the final goods. This all comes under the material management. Now let's see method analysis and work management. Method analysis and work management. Here selecting the best production methods, time and motion studies, and improving productivity, like labor productivity, machinery productivity, and so on. Method analysis and work management is one of the point in production management. And sixth one is capacity planning. Sixth one is what, ma? Capacity planning. What is this capacity planning? Determining production capacity. We are going to determine what? Production capacity, and after that balancing demand and available resources. Whatever we are trying to do, balancing the demand and with the available resources, avoiding underutilization or overloading. Avoiding the underutilization and overloading. The seventh one is quality control. In quality control, maintaining quality standards. What we will try to do? We will try to maintain the quality standards. Here inspection and testing will take place, reducing defects and wastage. And what is the eighth point? Maintenance management. Maintenance management means nothing but, you know, proper maintenance of machinery and equipment. Okay, preventive breakdown maintenance and cost and after that cost control. Cost control means what? Controlling production cost and cost reduction techniques, efficient use of materials, labors, and also machines. Cost control. R&D. What is the last one? Is that research and development. R&D is nothing but research development. Okay, R&D means research and development. So if you talk about the scope of the production management, you can see that we discussed what is the meaning of production management. It is like planning, organizing, directing and controlling of production activities in an organization is known as the production management. Here scopes, these are the scopes. What is the first scope? Product design and development. Product design and development means what? If there is needed any modifications, we will do. If not, we will continue with that same production unit. Okay, and after that PPC means what? Production planning and controlling. For what we will control? We will try to control all the unnecessary activities within the organization. And after that, plant location and layout. So we will locate where plant should be have to be established. These all things. And material management means from purchasing raw materials to work in progress, and after that the last one, finished goods, final goods. What the process is comes under the material management. How it is useful in production management? Like we will come to know, right, what is the demand outside in market for our products. Accordingly to that we will try to prepare, or we will try to produce the units. So produce the units in a production unit. Is that clear? So like if for example in an organization 100 units they sold in last month, they produced 120 units, 100 units they sold, 20 units are closing stock, and again the sales they produce some around 120 units, again it comes under the 80 units. So what happened? They came to know that the materials is going to be wasted, right? Accordingly they will try to plan and they will try to produce the units how much it's required. This comes under the material management, like purchasing from raw materials to converting into final goods. And after that, method analysis and work management, capacity planning, quality control. Quality, not only quantity, quality also is very important, right? So customers end of whatever motto, end of the thing that our customers should get satisfaction with our product. If we will win the customers loyalty, then we can go for profits automatically. Okay, so quality control is also very important factor here. 8.1 maintenance management, cost control. Cost control means what? Here cost controlling the cost, okay, in an organization, in and out on the organization. If we will try to minimize the cost control, so what happened? There is what do you say, not affected by any other aspects in a production management. Research and development, R&D stands for research and development. These are the points, dear friends. Be very thorough with these points. If you understand the concept, you can write easily. Not I know that we are in this what do you say, we having so many sources in front of us. Okay, with one click we are getting everything. Okay, with the help of AI, everything is becoming AI now. Okay, so the thing is, but manually we have to write over there. First we have to know the concept, actually what it is. So please be thorough with that, with this scope of production management. Take the side headings and try to prepare your own notes. Thank you.